I think we're gonna have a big crash in the market any second here. I'm gonna videotape it. Ooh, the crash is happening. Hoo-hoo-hoo! I don't know. I should probably change my account name to Jesus because I called that one perfectly. Hoo-hoo. I'm looking for 9%. Definitely don't want to get into this one too early. All right, I am long. No, I'm long. 147 LTC at 1010. This one crashed a little bit under. Let's go back to the 1 minute. We're back above it. Yeah, it's quite an intense thing. I got exactly the entry I was looking for though. Just about, almost exactly 9% RSI. I don't really use the RSI when we're in these kind of situations, but it can be helpful. It can be interesting to know when you're hitting that kind of 30 level. 20 to 30 level is kind of the the big bouncing range. Yeah, so overall I'm pretty stoked about this position. Don't ever want to be too confident about a position, but all in all, there's a lot of support in this area, and looking to sell into a quick bounce. If this doesn't hold, I would probably be getting out right around here. $2, there's about roughly $2 risk, and I'd want to get out if we go under the 108 area. So probably a little bit early on my entry, but let me get rid of this VWAP. I do like checking out from time to time, but I typically don't trade with any other indicators. I just like a clean, simple screen. So yeah, I left a little bit of money on the table, but when price moves like this, you can't be too sure. So when it's going to bounce, it's going to bounce really hard. So 1.23% is roughly was my risk for this trade. I think we're going to be seeing huge resistance around this 14 level. So let's put a sell in order in at the 13.75 maybe. Try to be on the safe side. This would be quite a nice return for a very quick trade. Sell order is right around here. One big spike could get us out. You know, maybe the sell order is a bit aggressive, but I think we're going to come and try to retest this area. Boom, we're just filled. That was a quick trade. That trade lasted 5 minutes, and look at those fees. These fees are just massive. Let's go ahead and quickly calculate what this trade, not the biggest position, just keep that in mind, but overall very cool trade. And let's just come down here and see, this is what I mean by an ideal exit order. So this $13, 113.75 that we placed right around wherever we placed it. Basically, we would have never been able to get that out of that position if we were waiting for the price to get there first. And you can, this is what I mean by the Coinbase charts. They're just completely, like, you can't trade with this. I mean, this is just nonsense. It doesn't even show where we got out, right? I mean, how crazy is that? It's just, this chart is nonsense. Here on, you can see it. We got out just about perfectly at the top. I mean, this is where we got out right here. This was just about a near perfect trade. Our exit was 13.75, if you remember. And our entry was roughly 10.10, so not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and quickly calculate the returns for you guys, just so we can kind of see what we're dealing with here. This is the 30th. Close this trade out. This trade, I forgot to mark it as closed. Where were we at? 147. We'll calculate the fees in a little bit. I do know though the exit. Let's go ahead and calculate the fees, and I'll just show you guys how I do that. So let's go to my orders, and then we can kind of see some of the details here. This is also a really good time to get some extra trading in, right? There's a good chance we'll see some support here, come back up here, make another 2% profit, but this chop is can be really dangerous, and it's not my favorite way of trading. So but yeah, there's a good chance there's going to be quite a nice bounce, and you could probably even be really safe and maybe put a sell order right here and take a 1.5% profit. But this is what it's all about. I didn't trade all today. I didn't trade all yesterday. There was a lot of consolidation in the market. I just said screw it. There's no reason to trade, and you know, you wait for opportunities like this, and then you pounce on it really hard when they are available. And that's really what it's all about. So this is day trade 100, 70, 70, 70. This is actually kind of funny. This is really similar to this. So let's go ahead and fill this out quickly. I would like to keep watching the market a little bit more. And the other one is 08. Day trades 08. Here we go. Let's quickly calculate the fees. Boom. Boom. Another one more fee, and then 1672. And look, the market actually did exactly what we were just talking about. This would have been that clean 1.5% return. But you know what? There's no reason for it. There is no reason to take super unnecessary risk. So these fees are just massive. They kind of freak me out. I think I have nightmares about them. $32, $33 is what we just paid in fees. But good news is we made it 3.22%, $488. If there was no fees involved, this would have been over $500. But there were fees involved, so we only made $488. This was also a support line bounce, and I'm going to be adding this opening closing comments, what I wrote in the Discord trading chat, where all of the people inside the Discord trading chat, all the subscribers, all my students saw this trade live in real time, and that's what it's all about. There's a lot of learning opportunity here. So guys, like I said, this would have been a perfect, 1.5 little bounce trade right here. I might have done it if I was not making a video, but I don't know. On average, I really don't like over trading, and this is a easy time to do some over trading. So it's never bad avoiding these situations. Cool. I've been meaning to get a trade on live, but it doesn't happen all the time. I typically don't have my camera ready. or the software, not necessarily the camera. Do you guys remember what this was? Let's just go ahead and copy these two, and then we'll move this one over to the chart, and then we can document this a little better. So the entry was 10.2, just a little bit lower. We bought it on the way down, so we were in this candle, 10.21, close enough. The exit was 113.75, which was just about the perfect top. We'll leave it there. Cool, guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a little snapshot of this trade as well, so I can add it to the chart to the trade review later for you guys to all review on your own time. All right, guys, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope some of you guys were profitable in this trade as well. It was very, very obvious. I mean, we saw it coming for a long time. About an hour ago, I wrote in the Discord trading chat room that we were probably gonna have a big bounce and we're crashing. And look, we had a breakout from this level, we had a key bounce from this level, and then we had a second key bounce from this level. And that's exactly when we entered the trade. I didn't trade any of this chop. This is just noise. This is nonsense. Here we had a big fake out, and this is clean trading. Yeah, roughly $500 in 5 minutes. So that's how you make money. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video, probably on Mondays, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a live stream. So till then, ciao, ciao.